Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm doing this green kind of peacock look. I was kind of inspired by this shirt and the Jaclyn Morphe palette. So I really like this and I'm really excited to share with you how to get it. So if you want to see it, then just keep watching. For today's look I want to be a little bit more matte. So I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Amethyst Priming Spray. You know you don't clean your makeup brushes enough when this is what they look like after they're clean. I'm going to take the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 120. I'm just going to buff this in with my brush. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fair. And I'm also going to highlight with this. I'm just going to blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Now, before anything has time to crease, I'm going to go in with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I'm just going to pack it underneath the eyes and everywhere that I put concealer, and then to really mattify the skin, I'm going to take it on a bigger brush and dust it all over my face. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows and my eye makeup, and then I will do the rest of the face products. And I'm just using Brow. Now onto the eyes, I'm going to use the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base as my eyeshadow base. So for the eyeshadow, I was really inspired by the Jaclyn Morphe palette. And I don't like to play with a lot of color. I like to kind of stick in the warms and the neutrals. But I thought, well, it has these colors in this palette, so I might as well use them. So I specifically want to get into these two shades right here. They are called Diva and Enchanted. Yes, Diva is the shimmery one, Enchanted is the matte one. And obviously I'll be using other eyeshadows, but those are just the two that I was like, oh, I really specifically want to put that one on my lid. I'm just going to start off with, I'm going to go Silk Cream, just kind of everywhere, fluffed everywhere, and then I'm going to go into this shade right here and really darken up the crease, and then we'll get into some darker other shades. Okay, now I'm going to go into Enchanted, this one right here, and it's just this gorgeous matte deep green, and I'm just going to go in just like one tap and just see what this does. Yeah, I think we're just going to go one tap at a time. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. I kind of just built it up in the outer corner and kind of buffed it in the crease. And I like how it turned out, so I'm just going to do taking Enchanted, and I'm just going to do that on the other eye. So I built up Enchanted on both of my eyes, and I really like the way it turned out. It's very dramatic. So now I'm going to go into Diva. I don't know what I'm doing. This shade right there, that one. And I'm going to take a flat shader brush and get it wet with some setting spray. Okay, here we go. Every new shade that I try from her palette just knocks my socks off. This is what it looks like. It's super beautiful, super shimmery. I'm just going to go in with the brush that I used on Enchanted. I'm just going to smooth out the edges. And now, I know the colors don't really match, but I kind of want to take a little bit of this and just pop it on the inner corner of my lid. The inner part of my lid, whatever it's called. And this is the shade Pool Party. I'm just going to go back into Pooter and blend everything out. I'm just going to take a really small brush, I'm going to go into Enchanted. I'm just going to use this really, really tight on my lower lash line. Almost like an eyeliner. I really like this. Okay, so for the inner corner, because we gotta, the problem, because we gotta be popping, I'm gonna go in with Beam. The second shade in on the top row. Do this little trick to make my eyes look bigger. And I take the same thing, same brush, same setup I do for my inner corner, but then I just pop it on the inside of my lash line. This is just going to kind of widen your eyes a little bit, and it's very dramatic. I'm taking a little bit more. I'm going to hit the brow bone. I prefer to do mascara a little bit later in my makeup routine just because when I'm using setting spray, it tends to make it run. So I like to put it on after I've applied my setting spray and everything has time to dry. I'm going to go in with a bronzer. I'm going to take the Essence Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronza. I actually have new shades now. Just going to bronze up the skin, specifically the face. My face, not just skin in general. You can do that, but I'm just going to keep the makeup products on my face for now. So when this video goes live, I am in Paris right now. I'm actually in Normandy. Right now, today will be our last day in Normandy. Yep, today will be our last day in Normandy. For blush, I'm going to go with the Essence Satin Touch blush in the shade Satin Coral. This is like a matte blush, and it does have like some gold reflex in it, but looks matte on the skin, so that's all I care about. Now that I'm looking at it, it's actually looking a little too turquoise for me right now, and I want it to be green. So I'm just going to go over some areas back with Diva and just see if I can green it up a bit. Okie dokie. For highlight, I'm going to mix the Wet n Wild Precious Petals and Blossom Glow together. And this highlight is my latest obsession, 468. It's bound to dominate. It's so good. So I'm just going to mix the two together. So I'm just going to dabble into each one and then pop it on the cheeks. Precious Petals is this really great gold highlight, and then Blossom Glow is just kind of, it's almost got a pinky hue to it, but really it's just more of a pure highlight, just like a pure just glow, no really like goldiness or pinkiness to it. But I just love mixing the two together. For setting spray, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Aventurine Matte Setting Spray, just so we can keep the complexion matte. For mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm just going to apply these to my eyelashes. For the lips, I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Soft Spoken. And I'm not sure if this is going to be too pinky. Alright, so this is the look I came up with. It is very bold, very dramatic, and you could, what I was thinking is this would look great with a black liquid lipstick. That would be so cool, so maybe I'll do it again with that. I don't know, I don't have a black liquid lipstick on hand right now. I did take my hair down from a bun and kind of put it in another bun and hold some hair on my face. I really like this look. I think it's very expressive and very dramatic, and I think it really makes your eye, like it kind of reminds me of a peacock in a way, kind of a green. But yeah, that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.